Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the fourth question in exercise 11.2. Find the derivative of the following with respect to x. There are two subdivisions. Let's take the first one. So that input expression is nothing but 2x plus 3 into 5x squared minus 7x plus 1. They have not specified any options or methods. So if you're very comfortable, you can do term-wise multiplication, get the expanded function, and then differentiate. The alternative method is to use this for formula u into v. So let's see how we use the uv formula. So according to differentiation, uv dash is nothing but uv dash plus vu dash. So let's define the u's and the v's. So u is equal to 2x plus 3. V is going to be equal to 5x squared minus 7x plus 1. So u dash is going to be differentiation of 2x plus 3 is simply 2. Now differentiation of this particular v dash is going to be 5 into 2 is 10, 10x minus 7. So now let's write out the final answer. U v dash is v u dash plus u v dash. So let's cross over and write it. So this is 2x plus 3 into 10x minus 7 plus 2 into 5x squared minus 7x plus 1. So here let's do the term-wise multiplication. 2x into 10x is 20x squared minus 14x plus 30x minus 21. This is the answer for this term-wise multiplication. Then let's do this plus 10x squared minus 14x plus 2. So now we can combine the like terms and write out the final answer. So 20x squared and plus 10x squared is 30x squared minus 14x is minus 28x plus there is a 30x, so that is plus 2x minus 21 and plus 2 is minus 19. So 30x squared plus 2x minus 19 is the final answer. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. For the second subdivision, the question is 2x minus 7 the whole square into 3x plus 5 the whole cube. So I'm going to define this 2x minus 7 the whole squared as u. So u is equal to 2x minus 7 the whole squared. Now let's define the v. V is equal to 3x plus 5 the whole cube. Now let's compute the u dash. U dash is nothing but, here I'm going to apply the chain rule. This is of the form of power rule. So 2x minus 7 the whole squared can be differentiated as 2 into 2x minus 7 into differentiation of 2x minus 7 is just 2. Now I can simplify this as 4 into 2x minus 7. So this is 8x minus 28. Now let's do this again for the next term. V dash can be written as 3 into, I'm applying chain rule for this particular expression. So 3 into 3x plus 5 the whole squared into differentiation of 3x plus 5 is another 3. So this is 9 into 3x plus 5 the whole squared. In fact, the previous one I'm simply writing as 4 into 2x minus 7. So let's see if I can write u v dash plus v u dash and simplify. So u v dash, so this is 9 into 2x minus 7 the whole squared into 3x plus 5 the whole squared plus v u dash. So this is going to be 4 into 2x minus 7 into 3x plus 5 the whole cube. The reason I'm writing it at this expression is I'm going to take out the common terms outside. So the bare minimum that I can take out is going to be just 2x minus 7 into 3x plus 5 the whole squared, because this is the minimum power of the lot, so I can take this outside. So what is going to be left out is 9 into 2x minus 7 plus 4 into 3x plus 5. So now this I can term-wise multiply and simplify. This I'm going to retain it as such. So this is 2x minus 7 into 3x plus 5 the whole square. This is 18x minus 63 plus 12x plus 20. So now I can simplify 18x plus 20x is 30x. So the final answer is going to be 2x minus 7 into 3x plus 5 the whole square into 30x. This is minus 63 plus 20. So the answer is going to be minus 43. So this particular expression, the product of these three terms is going to be the answer for the inputs differentiation. In the next video, we will see how to solve the fifth question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.